all what it has. Oh, the pirate is cool. Open it now! Pirate adventure. Okay, let's open it. This is really hard to open. Pirate. Ah.
Okay, grab the blue thing.
That's how. Oh, a striking. Whoa, that looks cool. Okay, we already know that. Now let's take out this. Time for the hammer. Time for everything. Wow. Oh, we open this guy. We ran out of newspaper because so we have to use plastic. We're using this to get in. We're finding pirate stuff. Pirate bones. Dig in, and this is when we find something. We brush it off. Hey. So we're going to use our hammer and shit. I see something. Let me dust it off. Wait 1 minute. Okay, I think it needs dusting off. I can't get it out yet. It's a pirate bone. It's off. What is that? There's more. What? Okay, we need more. These are two not strong. We're using Daddy's stuff. Yeah. Okay. How will this work? Like this? Or this?
It's sharpen right there.
Remember to not use parents' tools without permission. Wait, let me try it. Whoa, what's that?
You didn't stab it, did you?
No,
There's something else.
it's just
Okay.
it. I'm just gonna watch it on.
I don't want to ruin the thing.
I see a piece.
I know. So you gotta be very careful, huh? That's probably why they give you a little one.
Dusting.
I found it.
You need it dusted.
Yeah, can you dust that?
What is that?
Maybe.
We have to for the other treasures. It is. It's in here. See, no bone piece. How's that?
Don't stab yourself.
I'm not going to.
Really? Because that's gonna go right into your thumb.
Wait, I think it needs dusting. I see something. Yeah,
Lily can dust it.
dust it. You have to build it. Wow. That's the treasure chest. You have to put it in water, dude. It's a snowland. It's a snowland.
I think it's treasure.
It's treasure. So it goes in here. So you put it in here. How do you get this out?
fingers. Crazy boy.
Wow. Now where's the top? Over here. I put the treasure in it. We still need more. There's one more piece. Hey.
I'm showing the people.
There's one more piece.
Keep
Oh, it's still on. I think I see something. It's your stall. I think it's your stall. Oh, the treasure fits inside the treasure box. See? I put the treasure in. Treasure.
Just don't stab your finger.
I'm not. It's your stall, Benny. What am I stall, Ben, Daddy? So, my stall is red. It's a pirate stall. See? See? I see eye. It's your stall. Da.
Ta-da!
There's treasure in there. He has one eye.
Did you find One-Eyed Willie?
He's a one-eye guy. These are two skulls. There's one more. Okay, now we're going to dry them. Let me get the paper towel. We washed them off and now we're going to dry them. So you won't see them. That's one says it. Now, the gold is dry. See? Time for the two heads. The heads are dry now. Look at the heads. This one's mine. And this one's eye. And this one's mine with two eyes. Now for the treasure chest. And we didn't break anything. Yeah, we didn't. Here. These are so bright. And put the treasure. Then. Now let's put this. Now let's show the kids what we found. Now we found all of these. They're missing in this. So, bye-bye. Bye. Subscribe if you like it. Thumbs up if you don't like it. Just stay around. Don't forget to subscribe on Science Brothers. There's nothing else like Science Brothers, so you can just hit that one.